students, today in this class I am going to teach you CCE test paper 5. Before this chapter, 5C is multiple choice questions and all questions are very easy. Hope you are capable to do. If you have any problem, so that time you may write down your difficult questions in comment box and I will sort it. So let's start and to read in CCE test paper 5. First question is given. Write the reciprocal of. Reciprocal, it means just write the given fraction. We will write down numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. The exponent, the degree will remain the same place. Solution 2 by 3. Here you have to write down 3 by 2 and your degree will be the same. This one the reciprocal of this given. Here in this question minus will remain in the same place and 3 by 5 will be written as 5 by 3 to the power 61. In question number 4, here as we know 1 is laying in the place of denominator. So if we have to write down the reciprocal of this number, so minus 1 by 5 to the power 6. Such a way we will solve the rest question. In next question, question number 2. By what number should we multiply minus 6 to the power minus 1 to obtain a product equal to 9 to the power minus 1? As all these questions are very easy and I have to solve for your clear conceptions. Let the required number according to question, by what number should we multiply? So 6 to the power minus 1 into x is equal to 9 to the power minus 1. This one the question and we have to solve it. Here 1 by minus 1 by 6 into x is equal to 1 by 9 minus x by 6 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 9x is equal to 6 such that so minus 9 is equal to minus 9x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 6 by minus 9. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. When you write down the answer minus 2 by 3. As we know in a rational number denominator always in the positive integers. So minus 2 by 3, this one the answer. And such a number we have to multiply minus 2 by 3 with minus 6 to the power minus 1 and we obtained 9 to the power minus 1. In question number 3, the given question is by what number should minus 22 to the power minus 1 be divided to obtain 10 to the power minus 1. Like the previous question, solutions, just imagine. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So by what number should, according to question, minus 20 to the power minus 1 divided by x. So we obtain minus 10 to the power minus 1. This one the question and here we have to solve it. Now 20 to the power minus 1 divided by 10 to the minus 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to x. You may write so. And if you solve these questions, that time you will obtain the value of x. Here minus 1 by 20 divided by minus 1 by 10 is equal to x. Minus 1 by 20 multiplied minus 10 by 1. 10 to the, and here minus 1 also. Minus 1 will be multiplied by minus 1 is plus 1, 1 by 2. And the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. This one the answer of it. In question number 4, express 2 upon 60 in a standard form. Solutions of question number 1. Write down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down here, and this one the solutions of this question. Now the next one. Here 6.4 into 10 to the power 5. This question is written in usual form. It means 64 by 10 into 10 to the power 5. It means 10 upon 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 0 will be cancelled. Then 6, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. And this one the usual form of this given question. Thus this one the simplifications, this one the solutions of these questions. Now question number 5. Simplify 16 into 10 to the power n plus 1 into 8 into 2 to the power n by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1. Really this question is very important, and you will think about these questions. 16 is given. It means 16 is just a multiple of 2. 16. When you factorize it, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. It means 2 to the power 4. Always remember 2 to the power 4. Solutions. 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 8 into 2 to the power n by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1, it means 2 to the power 1 minus 8 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power n by 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. As we know, when we write these questions in an exponential form, so it becomes 2 to the power n plus 2. Now minus 4, you may write 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. Here what we have seen, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, we can easily take the common of it, and 2 to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2 to the power 3. Again 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n, it will take a common, and 2 to the power 4 plus 2 minus 2 to the power 2 plus 1. Both will be cancelled, and 2 to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 3. When you write down the value of 2 to the power 5, it means 32 minus 8 by 64 minus 8. 32 minus 8 is equal to 24 by 64 minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 8, 56. Both will be divisible by 8. 8 threes are and 8 sevens are. The answer is 3 by 7. Very simple. The simplifications of this question is 3 by 7. After completing these questions, the last one is question number 6. If 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250, we have 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250. As we write down, 2 to the power n by 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power n by 5 to the power 4 is equal to 1250. Here we can write down, or such a questions it will cancel it. In question number 6, if 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250, find the value of n. Here what we have seen, solution is given 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4. In both exponent n minus 4 and n minus 7, we have to make it equal. So 2 to the power n minus 4 into 2 to the power minus 3. Both will make 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250. Now 2 to the power n minus 4 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250. Here 2 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250 into 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 10 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 10, 0, 8 0 is 0, 8 5 is 40, and 12 8 is 96, and 400. So 10 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 10 to the power 4, and both base are equal, so we will take only n minus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore n is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The value of n is equal to 8. Thus all such type of questions I have solved it, but in section B and C as well as D, all are multiple choice questions. Some are fill in the blanks and some are true and false. So rest questions you will have to do, and thus our chapter is completed. This CCE test paper is completed. Now after completing this chapter, you have to practice well, and one more request, you have to subscribe, like and share this channel. Then you will get a notifications as quickly whenever the video is uploaded. Thank you. Have a nice day.